have to get to work. Bows on it. I'm going to my next class now. Okay, so I got done with all my classes. Now I'm going to the mall. So the main motto of coming here was to grab a matcha because मेरी फीड पूरी तरीके से matcha से भर चुकी है और मैंने अभी तक matcha ट्राई नहीं किया है, बट मेरा मन तो बहुत था तो मैंने सोचा कि why not today. Also I have to go to Sephora to pick up my birthday gift. So yeah, let's go. यहाँ पे तो पूरा कंस्ट्रक्शन चालू है. ત્રાસ કરી નાખે ચાર સવારમાં તો બધું ખોદી ખોદી. Hi, can I get an iced strawberry and oat matcha?
Strawberry oat matcha?
Yeah.
What size you want?
Sorry?
What size?
Branded. No, that's all. Maybe Starbucks matcha is not good, or maybe I cannot be a matcha girly because I can only taste like milk and strawberry in it. मुझे matcha का टेस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा अंदर. And $7 wasted successfully. Okay, अब इधर आई गई तो I should do some emails. I have to do an email to my professor, and then I should do some work, and then I'll go in the mall. Okay, so the first stop is definitely gonna be Sephora. If I get time, then I'll go into another shops. Otherwise, मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है. अभी मैंने पैसे खर्चा है तो मैं बताऊंगी कि मैंने matcha लिया है. Have secured our gift. I almost spilled the matcha. I think it's only 5:30, so I still have a little time to roam around. So I'll go in the clothing store because I cannot resist. I didn't think that I was gonna vlog, so as always my battery is like 10%, so I don't know when it's gonna be dead, and I need my phone to scan my bus pass so I can get back home. So I'm not gonna be able to vlog a lot. Hi guys, I'm going to wear this. It is small and it is really big. It feels like I'm going to Paris next month, but that is also beautiful. Okay, I'm finally getting out of the mall and we are gonna go to the bus stop and we'll head straight home. I couldn't even find anything, and that's great because I didn't want to spend money. And I still haven't finished this matcha. Well, what can I say? I'm slow. So I did got a lot of content and I clicked a lot of pictures as well, and I took a reel as well. I don't know if it's good or not, My battery is 2%, so I'm going to stop vlogging right here. Good morning, everyone. It's my birthday today. I mean, at midnight. Today is 16 August and my birthday is on 17 August and I am making cake. Let me just show you. I did make the base. See, and it's perfect. Like, it didn't even crack a little bit and I'm super happy for that. But I only have like 20 minutes left to catch my bus because I'm going to job today. So I have 20 minutes to decorate the cake. So without wasting any time, let me just do that. When I got back from India, I got all my cake stuff. Let me just show you. I got my round table and I couldn't make cake without all these saman, so I'm making it now. Now we'll start by assembling our cake. I already put the ganache in the microwave. And now I'm dropping some water because I don't like to add sugar syrup. Sugar syrup. Because उससे केक कुछ ज़्यादा ही मीठा हो जाता है and I do not like a lot of मीठा cake and my cake is already sugary, I think so. So we'll skip that and we'll just add water. Set up the two layer. Now I'm adding another layer of ganache on it because मुझे अपने केक का aesthetic पसंद है लेकिन taste I cannot compromise because I love chocolate, so chocolate must be on the cake. इसलिए मैं chocolate whipping cream नहीं कर रही हूँ. Whipping cream मैं white ही रखूँगी लेकिन I'm adding ganache in between to get that chocolatey flavor. Trust me, ganache से इतना tasty लगता है केक. I'm putting the final layer. Yep. Time for the final touch. I don't think I have time to do all the icing. Like, I won't decorate it, but because I have to get to work, so मैं just इसको पूरा cover कर देती हूँ. मैं उस पर pink color की cream लगाऊंगी. But for that I'd have to wait. I did roughly cover pretty much all of the cake, but मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है कि मैं इसको सजाने बैठूँ अभी. तो I'll put this in the fridge, तो तब तक ये सेट भी हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये बहुत ही रनी हो रही है क्रीम अभी. So I'll complete it when I get back from work. Hi, and I'm back. I already add the pink color and the cream. Now we just okay, so now my pink layer is done. I'm going to add a little rosettes and I'm thinking of adding bows, but I'm not sure if I'm going to or not. We'll see. Okay, until then I'm going to set up my nozzle and my piping bag. It's been a long time since I made a cake. I'm going to add more pink in this. I added a little bit of orange with the pink. Now I'm doing the base part. So this is the final cake. I also added bows on it and it looks just so pretty. birthday is officially over. This was my full outfit.